So how can you delete videos on the iPad? Let's talk about it. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to Foxtecc because I have so many tutorials which you're gonna most definitely benefit from. Okay, so there are more places where you can browse your videos, right? So if they are part of the Photos app, you can go there and make sure you are not part of the library, but go to collections and find the media types, right? So you have the like selfies, live photos, but also videos. And this will make only the videos show up, right? So you can browse those specifically. No photos are mixed in here. And you can just select the videos you want to get rid of. Of course, select as many as you can. Tap on the trash can and they are going to be gone. Also, make sure that you then go to the recently deleted folder, as those videos will stay there for 30 days before they are fully and permanently deleted, right, for good. Also, you can check out some different settings or sections for it by going to the Settings app, clicking on General and iPad Storage, right? You get to manage all of the things in here, and usually you get some suggestions where you can review your photos and videos, right? So you get to your photos like that, and you even see like the amount of storage they take up. So you can delete the videos which take up the most amount of storage so you can optimize your iPad a bit better. Also, keep in mind that you may have some videos stored not within the Photos app, but inside of the Files app. And in there, you as well get to search for the videos by typing in the extension. Like you can go and type in MP4, and all of the videos are going to appear in here. So you again have the ability to manage them, delete them, do whatever, right, directly on your iPad. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot, and most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.